Hey and welcome back to the Milk+Blush channel. This week we are creating a low sleek ponytail with hair chains, a huge trend this winter, especially for the party season. We are using our luxurious set, which is our thickest set in the length 16 to 18 inches in the shade Oh My Gwen Stefani. So you're going to want to clip in your first weft. We are using a 3 clip, then a quad an inch above this one. Then another 3 clip weft an inch above the quad, a 2 clip, then another 2 clip weft. In total we have clipped in 5 wefts. Depending on your hair thickness and desired look, you can add more or less than this. Once all the wefts are clipped in, you will need to brush your hair back into a low ponytail. We are using a detangler for this as it catches every strand, making sure the hair stays super sleek and polished. You're then going to want to take a bungee band, which is a bobble you hook onto the hair and wrap around. They're great for keeping a look polished, as all you need to do is hook and wrap the elastic around the hair. Justine Marjan braided the underneath her model's hair for the New York Fashion Week show and hooked the chains onto the braids concealed underneath the hair, but these nifty chains from ASOS are ready made with clips, so they're easy to apply and secure. You may just need a friend to help you with securing them though. Once the clips are in place, you'll need to take a small section of hair to wrap around the base, being careful to keep the hair neat and laying flat. Once the hair is wrapped around, secure it in place with a few bobby pins and then spray and smooth with some hairspray. And that's it! This gorgeous look will guarantee to turn heads at any event. If you try this look, then please tag us on Instagram or send over your videos. We love to see your looks. Remember to leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or would like us to try a style or video, then please let us know. We hope you have a great week. Bye!